Hello, I'm Arachika Bhaumik and welcome to The Hindu. In a significant development, the Supreme Court of India today granted bail to senior AAP leader and former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, in the cases registered by the CBI as well as the ED in connection with the now scrapped Delhi excise policy. This means that Mr. Sisodia will finally be walking out of jail after nearly 17 months of incarceration, while the CBI arrested him on corruption charges on February 26th last year. The ED arrested him under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act or the PMLA on March 9th of the same year. A bench of Justices B.R. Gawai and K.V. Vishwanathan delivered the verdict today, saying that relegating Mr. Sisodia back to the trial court for seeking bail in these cases would constitute a travesty of justice. The judges further noted that the ED as well as the CBI had named 493 witnesses and that the case involved scrutinizing thousands of pages of documents. As a result, they asserted that there was not even the remotest possibility of the trial being concluded in the near future, which warrants the grant of bail at this stage. The court thus recorded in the order, in our view, keeping the appellant behind the bars for an unlimited period of time in the hope of speedy completion of trial would deprive his fundamental right to liberty under Article 21 of the Constitution. As observed time and again, the prolonged incarceration before being pronounced guilty of an offence should not be permitted to become punishment without trial. During the hearing today, the judges also declined an oral plea by the ED Council to restrict Mr. Sisodia from visiting the Delhi Secretariat as well as the Chief Minister's office, as was done in the case of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal when he was granted interim bail by the Supreme Court to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. However, the court imposed certain bail conditions on Mr. Sisodia. He was ordered to furnish a bail bond of Rs 10 lakh, surrender his passport and report twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays before the concerned investigating officer. The judges also instructed the AAP leader to not make any attempt to influence witnesses or tamper with evidence. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu.